The term payday lending may conjure up all sorts of scary images, but the industry is a legitimate one, serving a growing segment of middle-income Americans who need credit and can't get it. CNBC's Mary Thompson is in, really? In Naples, Florida. That's the only place to find one of these outfits, Mary?
Yeah, you know, it's just strange. This seemed the perfect place to go,
yes.
Especially when there's a blizzard up north, Joe. Exactly. You know, I'm in one of the 2,500 stores that Advance America operates around the country. This public company, as well as other payday lenders, providing short-term loans to more than 10 million credit-hungry American households. Here's Advance America CEO Billy Webster.
The consumer demand for the product is overwhelming and speaks for itself.
The demand comes despite some payday lenders charging annual interest rates in excess of 300%. But that's okay for Advance America customer James Duda, who maintains the fee for a $500 30-day loan is cheaper than bouncing checks.
I'm paying $55, and if I didn't do it, the effect would be maybe 2-3 bounced checks at the end of the month, and then I would be paying a lot more.
In 2009, payday lenders doled out $38.5 billion in loans, a number analyst David Bertzloff sees rising thanks to new bank laws.
I think, you know, Dodd-Frank and other regulations, including the Card Act, you know, in some cases may help payday lenders because it makes credit more restrictive.
For example, the financial advisory firm Bretton Woods estimates new rules on account overdrafts cost banks $7.3 billion in fees last year, resulting in consumers losing over $6 billion in credit. Now, having lost revenue recently to stricter state laws, payday lenders could profit from taking on banks' lost business, but they may face new federal regulations as well from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
Given the potential regulatory risk involved with payday, we prefer companies that have multi-product platforms.
So among the publicly traded payday lenders, two of Berlotz's favorite picks are Cash America, which also operates pawn shops, as well as Dollar Financial, because it has a significant overseas business. Now, until the regulatory picture becomes clear, the payoff for payday lenders may still be down the road. But new regulations actually might put them in a better light. We're going to have more on that coming up on Street Signs. But before that, on Squawk on the Street, we're going to show you the face of payday lending, the people who actually borrow from these outlets. Back to you.
Mary, thank you for that. I assume you're working all day and you're not going to have time to party in Naples, right?
No, you know, I'm very focused, Carl. Although I will say we did manage to get a view of the sunset over the beach last night after we wrapped up shooting yesterday, and it was worth it. It's beautiful, but it's actually cold down here. It was about 40 degrees this morning.
Oh my God! Yeah, they said there's snow in 49 states.
I think Florida's the only
49
one.
states. It's the only one without.
And Carl, party in Naples. That's some oxymoron. Naples is not exactly South Beach.
That's true.
Yeah, it's not
I meant
South.
Napoli is what I read. I guess Naples, Italy is what I meant to say.
So it's mostly it's more retired people down there, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Right.
Mary, thank you for that. We got a few seconds before we go to data. Take a look at the boards. We haven't done a whole lot this morning in terms